Understanding the Piston Assembly in English. Hello everyone! Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of mechanical engineering terms, specifically, piston assembly. This phrase might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. So, whether you're an English language learner or just curious about engineering jargon, this video is for you. Before we jump into what a piston assembly is, let's first understand what a piston is. A piston is a crucial component in engines and other machinery. It's a cylindrical part that moves up and down inside a tube called a cylinder. Pistons are used to convert the energy from fuel into motion, a process essential for engines to work. Now, let's talk about the piston assembly. A piston assembly is more than just a piston. It includes several components. 1. Piston, the main part that moves inside the cylinder. 2. Piston rings. These rings create a seal between the piston and the cylinder wall, preventing the escape of gas and maintaining pressure. 3. Connecting rod. This rod connects the piston to the crankshaft and helps to convert the piston's up and down motion into rotational motion. The piston assembly plays a critical role in an engine. Here's how it works. When fuel combusts in an engine, it creates gas that exerts pressure. This pressure pushes the piston down, which in turn rotates the crankshaft. This rotation is what ultimately powers the vehicle or machine. So, the piston assembly is at the heart of transforming fuel into motion. That's all about the piston assembly. I hope this video has shed some light on this important engineering concept and made it easier to understand. Keep exploring and learning. And don't forget, every technical term is just a new opportunity to expand your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.